we're getting ready to spray the Chevy tailgate. Before we do that, figuring out what respirator I'm going to use. This is a Bandit made by SAS. There's the part number for you. These things I've heard are really good, pretty comfortable, pretty affordable. So we're going to give this a test run. Got some pre-filters. Should come with a set, but it's always nice to have extras. So out of the bag, you get a little booklet with some directions. Here's the mask itself. It's pretty solid. Looks pretty well made. Comes already set up. Cartridge, charcoal cartridge, and the pre-filters. I did notice on the inside, all the components here, the little baffles and flaps to make sure that air is only going one way and that everything coming in is filtered. Everything looks pretty well made. Nice components, nice fit and finish on the inside. This is a pretty lengthy setup to go, you know, for a disposable mask where all of these components are made to be used and then tossed when they're no good. So definitely a nice fit and finish on all these parts. When it does come time to swap out these pre-filters, it's not too bad. Just pop these out. Like that, clip on. There's your cartridge, organic vapor. You just pop these pre-filters out. Nice NIOSH N95 approved. Good quality stuff. Got my mask on. Everything is really soft, flexible, fits really well. I like it a lot. Tighten it up easy. You got tabs here, tabs in the back, but it's a nice mask. It really is. Really well made. Happy to be able to use it. Yeah, let's see if it works.